Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will be talking about the newly launched Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer with green tea. This is what the packaging looks like. So the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Moisturizer comes in this 50 grams jar that is priced at rupees 349, and the packaging comes with a green lid, and once you open it you see the gel-like consistency of the cream. As you can see, this is a really lightweight cream with a very thin gel-like texture. The consistency is really silky, it's very smooth, it's very fast absorbing, and it's also really lightweight. You can use this 2 times a day. You can use it in the morning and night, although it claims to mattify and moisturize your skin for up to 12 hours. So once you apply it in the morning, it's gonna last you through the entire day, and then you can apply it in the night as well before you go to sleep. So to apply this, you just take a little bit of the cream and spread it all over your face in an upward direction. And if you have very oily skin like I do, you can visibly see that the moisturizer gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. So my first impression of using this mattifying moisturizer was that it really got absorbed into my skin very easily. I used soft upwards stroke to blend it all over my face, and actually kind of reminded me of using a primer because of how matte my skin looked after I used it. And it also claims to visibly reduce the appearance of pores. Now it has some superstar ingredients in it. The first one is glycerine, which is a humectant, which means that it really helps in retaining the water in your skin, which means it helps in retaining the hydration. It also has a very active antioxidant, green tea extracts, and then it also has niacinamide, which is known to work with your pores, and that is what is going to help in visibly improving the way that your pores look, which means that if you have oily skin, your pores are usually visibly expanded, and niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, really helps in making the appearance look smaller and tighter, and that way you're gonna have smoother looking skin. I also noticed that the texture of the gel-like cream is very lightweight, non-greasy at all, and I still have it on me right now underneath my makeup, and it's really holding on the foundation very well. Not only does it give you like a matte finish, it also controls the sweat. So for those of you girls who have really sweaty, oily skin, this would work really well for you. I mean, I'm wearing a sweater and I do not have the AC or the fan turned on, and I usually get very sweaty on my upper lip, and that's not happening right now, thankfully. So it really helps in controlling the oil production. One of the ingredients that I saw here was aluminium starch octanyl succinate. I hope I pronounced that right, but what that does is that helps in mattifying your skin and keeping it that way for a really long time. So what that does is that it absorbs all of the excessive oil, which is the sebum, on our skin, and throughout the day this is going to control the production of oil on your skin. So it's really going to control that T-zone that gets oily. So for those of you who wear masks on a regular, so it's also going to prevent from any of your moisturizer getting into the mask. So it's really going to set and stay in there. And also this has fragrance in it, so if you have sensitive skin or skin that gets sensitized with fragrance very easily, then please do a patch test. And to do a patch test, you can just take a little bit of the product and apply it right here and leave it for 24 hours. In case you see any rashes, any irritation, then stop using it immediately and do not try it again. But this is a great moisturizer if you have oily skin and you're one of those people that tend to skip moisturizer thinking that, you know, you have oily skin, I don't really need moisturization, this is what is going to work for you. Because I know the reason that most oily girls skip on their moisturizers is because they think that it's going to make them extra greasy, it's not going to work for them. But you do need the hydration, you do need to retain all of the hydration, and a moisturizer is something that is going to seal in all of that. And I think with this, if you haven't really tried a moisturizer thinking you're going to get sweaty, oily, it's not going to last long, then you can definitely try this, because this is also budget friendly. It is an affordable moisturizer for oily skin. Now, moisturizer is not the last step to skincare. Always make sure that when you're doing your skincare in the daytime, always finish it up with sunscreen. Sunscreen is your last step to skincare. When you're using an oil-free moisturizer, make sure that you're also using an oil-free sunscreen, so that you are not making your skin greasier. Otherwise, you know, this is not going to work. So that's about it. That's my first honest impression about the Lakme Matte Moist. Let me know what you guys think. If it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, please talk to me in the comments down below. And I'll also be linking this moisturizer down below in the description in case you guys would want to try it out yourself. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know if you enjoy these old school reviews and what products would you want me to review next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!